this has to be my it bag at the moment. I love this. I'm obsessed with this. Do we like the gloss shade? I think we do. You can't tell me a better moisturizer than this exists. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and this is another monthly favorites. ये है साल का पहला monthly favorite, so I had to make sure कि इसमें बहुत सारे different type के items हो, right from like bag, tops, makeup, skincare. So it's a mixed haul of my monthly favorites. It's basically everything that I've been loving recently, using recently, and yeah. By the way, सब कुछ Amazon से है. Amazon पे कुछ amazing से offers भी चल रहे हैं. I'll make sure I link everything in the description box, right from the links to the offers. So वो जरूर से check out कर लेना. मैं comments में भी सारे links mention कर दूँगी. And I'm very excited to show you guys what all I have in store today. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First thing that I have got this time for my monthly favorites is this very pretty red color bag. Now this is from Fast Track and I was looking for a red bag since a long time. मतलब cherry red आपने बहुत लोग के पास देखा होगा, but honestly at this point I am bored with cherry red. मैं सबके पास इतना देख चुकी हूँ. I also have a cherry red bag from Amazon only. मैंने Miraggio से लिया था I think 4-5 महीने पहले. But now I'm like really into like hot reds and reds at the moment. So I saw this one and I loved it. Like it has so much space. इसके अंदर आप इतना कुछ आराम से रख सकते हो. Like your phone, your wallets, even a small bottle. It has like 2 distinctions. So I really love this one. Like utility wise, it's a solid 10 on 10, and even in look wise, and it has this small branding of Fast Track over here. So I genuinely like this one a lot. Like just keep it like this. And it looks so nice. So this is the first item I got and I really like this one a lot. So yeah, love the color, love the material, everything about this one, and I think I got it for like rupees 700-800. तो आई थिंक काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल भी है. लास्ट यू रियली लॉन्ग क्योंकि फास्ट ट्रैक के प्रोडक्ट बहुत लंबे चलते हैं. मेरे पास इनकी थे कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स पहले. सो या फर्स्ट आइटम आई got some tops this time from Amazon. I did not want to do like a full summer top kind of haul because I did not get a lot. I just got 2 tops. एक जो मैंने अभी पहन रखा है. So you know how this whole these kind of shirts went viral on Instagram and everywhere जहाँ पे hearts बने हों shirts में. Honestly अभी हर जगह मिलती हैं. So I saw this top जिस पे ऐसे ही hearts बने हुए थे and I knew I had to get this. This was by this brand Uptowny. I love the fitting and everything. It's like an off shoulder thing, but you can also wear it like this as well with like a cowl neck situation. So ये दोनों तरीके से बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So मैंने सोचा ये तो एक मैं ले ही लेती हूँ. Very affordable again. I think it was under rupees 450. So that's the next item I got and this is how it looks अगर मैं इसको पूरे अच्छे से पहनूँ and show it to you guys. And super comfy. Plus Valentine's coming up. Next 1 महीने में probably Valentine's होगा. So yeah, उसके लिए भी काफ़ी appropriate है. Like white with tiny red hearts. What else do we need more? So this is the next item that I got. Okay, I got one more top and it's this one. So I saw it and I knew I want to get it because I want some regular wear tops. I do have a lot of outgoing tops जो मैं बाहर पहन के जाती हूँ, but regular wear इतने ज़्यादा नहीं है मेरे पास. So I got this one and it's again very comfy. It's giving like a little corset style situation over here. So this is how it looks on wearing. And मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि पहन के तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा शायद से जब ये आया, but honestly it's so comfortable. Like if I'm just running errands, मुझे shopping करने जाना है, normal सब्जी लेने जाना है, राशन की दुकान पे जाना है, तो this is something that I'll wear with jeans. And yeah, this is the next item that I got. Both of the tops are actually quite comfortable, like way more than I expected it to be. So I'm very impressed with these. Okay, next up I restocked on my favorite moisturizer, which is Vinashia. So this has to be my go-to moisturizer since years now. I keep changing, I keep trying and experimenting new products, but I keep going back to this one. This is a body moisturizer. It can be applied on face, but I use it as a body moisturizer only. And I have eczema on my legs. So eczema is like a skin issue, and this has to be that one moisturizer that keeps that subsided. मैंने ये last 4-5 महीने से नहीं लगाया and trust me that eczema just like increased. So I figured it out कि नहीं, I have to stick with this one moisturizer. It's also dermatologically recommended. So अगर आपको कोई भी skin का issue है या फिर if your skin is like really dry or something, sensitive as well, this is one moisturizer that's gonna come really handy. So yeah, that's the next one and you have probably seen it in some of my monthly favorites also, but I always restock in this one, so I had to show you guys. Next I invested in a new moisturizer. So this one is by Face Shop. The Face Shop collagen moisturizer. Now I love trying new moisturizers and this one is honestly love. Like अभी मैं इससे पहले Laneige का यूज़ करती जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था, the Laneige water bank one, but I was looking for something a little less expensive and I think this one actually goes really well. अभी मुझे लगाते हुए इसको 1 हफ्ता हुआ है, but the texture and everything it has really smooth, smells quite amazing and it has collagen. So now that I am aging I think so, I think by this time I really need products जो natural जिसमें collagen boosting में help होता हो. So this is, look at it, how quickly it absorbs also, and yeah, really hydrating. You can use it in both your AM and PM routines. I'm using it in both of my routines and I love it. Super amazing to use, gives you a very nice feel and texture. अभी मैंने क्योंकि थोड़ा makeup कर रखा है तो I'm not applying it on my face, but even in my hand, like just look at it, तुरंत absorb हो गया, very lightweight and does the job, moisturize रखता है आपके face को. So yeah, that's the next product that I got. इसके बाद I got a new vitamin C serum. So I love using vitamin C serum. मेरे currently भी face पे last month मेरा face बहुत ही messed up हो गया था because I got like few pimples due to my hormonal changes, due to periods and stuff, and acne marks रुक जाते हैं. ट्रस्ट मी, मेरे फेस पे विटामिन सी बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली वर्क करता है एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग द डर्माको विटामिन सी सीरम सिंस फॉरएवर. आई लव दैट, आई हैव नो कंप्लेंट्स, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड ट्राई अ न्यू वन. सो मैंने ये लिया था बाय इनिस्ट्री. इट्स द विटामिन सी सीरम अगेन. नाउ दिस इज ऑफ कोर्स वे मोर एक्सपेंसिव दैन द डर्माको वन, बट आई रियली वांटेड टू ट्राई इट. सो आई एम इन द ट्राइंग फेज ऑफ दिस करेंटली एंड so far इसने मेरे स्किन पे कुछ रिएक्ट नहीं करा है. इट्स वर्किंग आउट फाइन. इट्स बीन जस्ट लाइक 8 days right now, so I want to try it more and see, but for now I'm actually loving and enjoying this product. It's comparatively a smaller bottle, so I don't think so if you're using it every day it will last you more than a month, but I think it's worth it because Innisfree के products बहुत beautifully work करते हैं मेरे skin पे. So I was like, let's give it a try and I've been loving this. I have got a lip gloss which is from Mars. This shade is called as Heat and this is how it looks like. Now I have never used a mask, lip product or any product for that matter, and when I saw this I knew I want to try this out. So this lip gloss is something that I got. Now originally I did not think so the color would be so pink. Like I'll just show you. So I have to take a very little amount of this one, otherwise it just looks like too pink on my lips. So I just take very little. And that's it. That's the kind of perfect pink lips that I want, and this is how it looks. I really like it, the shine and shimmer and everything. It's nice, it's there, and it's very affordable. I think I got it for like rupees 225 or something, so I really like it for the price, and very lightweight on the lips also. So yeah, that's the next product that I got. Okay, coming to the last product of this haul. So I got a kajal which is by Rene. It's the Rene Midnight Kajal, and I don't usually wear kajals anymore, but I want to get back to wearing kajals because I think they suit me a lot. Like right now also I'm wearing a kajal which is this one only. So it's quite dark honestly, एंड मैंने ऑलरेडी पहन रखा है, यही काजल पहना है जस्ट टू शो यू गाइस कि कैसा लगता है. ऑल्दो मुझे लगा था कि बिल्कुल भी स्मच नहीं होगा, बट इट डिड स्मच. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ it would work in like really hot weather, but for now it's fine. It also comes with the sharpener so you can sharpen it up, and yeah, that's the last product that I got. So yeah guys, these were all the products that I've recently got from Amazon that I've been loving, using, and do comment down below and tell me if you've tried any of these products. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you super soon with another haul video. Until then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye guys, take care.